This dance is called Cheap Talk. It's a 64 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, touch the right toe beside the left, touch the heel beside the left, touch the toe beside the left, kick the right into a coaster step. It's a slow coaster step, back, close, step, and hold. Just do that sequence of steps again, off on that right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, hold. Repeat, but with the left foot leading. So touch the left by the right, left heel by the right, left toe by the right, kick the left into a coaster step, back, close, step, and hold. Do those steps on the left once more. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, and hold. Put those two together. The music is a little bit faster, but we'll go through it slowly to start with. Half on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, hold. So remember those coaster steps, back, close, step. From here we're going to vine to our right. So we step right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over the right, mambo cross on the end. So we're going to rock to the side on that right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left, and hold. So that last section, vine with the cross, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross. Your side rock cross is your mambo cross. Repeat that little section with the left foot leading. So we step left to the side, cross right behind, left to the side, cross right over the left, mambo cross, rock to the side, recover your weight on the right, cross the left over the right, and hold. So just try that vine again to the left. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross. Put it all together up to there. Toe, heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, hold. Side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, hold, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, hold. Little rumba box going forward. So step the right to the side, feet together, step the right forward, hold, step right, left to the side, right to side, left, left back, and hold. Let's just add that the next little bit onto it. Rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. Into some lock steps, angle into the corners. So we're going to head towards 130 to our right diagonal to start with. So we step the right forward, lock that left behind the right, step the right forward. Repeat, go into the left towards 1030, left diagonal, step the left forward, lock that right behind the left, step that left forward. Those are your lock steps. So let's just do that little rumba box in that last little section. Off on that right. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. So there's no holds or pauses in that last little section. Let's add that to the top. We're nearly there. Off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, vines, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, rumba, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. Okay, so as soon as you've done that last step, you're going to go into a cross rock on the right. So cross rock, right over left, recover on that left, step that right to the side and hold. Repeat with the left, go over the right, rock onto it, recover your weight back on that right foot. This time you're going to make a quarter turn left and brush that right through. So that last little section then, cross rock right over left. 7, 8, cross, rock and hold, rock, turn, brush. Just add the last little bit on. So we're going to now make a half a turn, because it's a full wall dance. So we're going to end up facing 3 o'clock. We brush the right through. They're going to be 1/8 of a turn each. So you're going to step the right, making 1/8 of a turn, brush that left. Step the left, making 1/8 of a turn, brush the right. Step the right, making 1/8 of a turn, brush the left. Step the left, making 1/8 and brush the right. So you can see over 4 steps and 4 brushes, you end up making half a turn. So let's just try that once more. Off on that right because we're on that brush position. 7, 8, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. So that's the end of the dance. As soon as you've done all those brushes, you start all over again. So let's put it all together from the top. Toe, heel, toe, kick, off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. Toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. 5, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, rumba. Side, close, step. Side, close, back. Back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, cross, rock, side, rock, turn, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. And you start again with the toe, heel, toe kick. So I hope you followed that. 4 wall dance. There's another 3 walls. Let's have a go at them. Off on the right, toe, heel, toe, kick. 7, 8, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. Toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. Vine, side, behind, side, cross, mambo. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, rumba, side, close, step. Side, close, back. Back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, cross, rock, side. Cross, rock, turn, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. Toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. Toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step. Side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. The side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross. The side, close, step, side, close, back. Back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, cross, rock, side, cross, rock, turn, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, toe, heel, toe, kick, coaster, step, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, cross, rock, side, cross, rock, turn, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. So that should teach you walk through. All that's left is to try it to some music.
Talk about life, talk about distance, talk about catching every breath, talk about wind, and talk about wine. Talk about do, talk about don't, talk about will, and talk about won't, talk about the sweet by and by. Little talk is cheap and time's a wasting. Get busy living, or at least I try. Wine's for tasting, rose for taking. Talk is cheap and time's a wasting. Trying to get along, talk about the way it ought to be. Talk about now, talk about then, talk about everywhere you've been. Talk about being free. Well, talk is cheap and time's a wasting. Get busy living, or at least die trying. Wine's for tasting, roads for taking. Talk is cheap and time's a wasting.
Step fresh.